In a quiet little bakery on the edge of a bustling town, there lived a tiny mouse named Milo. Unlike the other mice who spent their days searching for crumbs, Milo had a dream much bigger than himself. He wanted to become a chef. While most mice were content with nibbling on leftovers, Milo spent his days watching humans cook, carefully observing their techniques, and even sneaking into the kitchen to take in the wonderful aromas of freshly baked bread and bubbling soups. His tiny kitchen, hidden in the corner of an old cupboard, was filled with ingredients he had gathered: crumbs of cheese, drops of honey, and pieces of herbs from the market. He experimented with flavors, combining unexpected ingredients, and dreamed of one day cooking for a real audience. But being a mouse who wanted to be a chef wasn't easy. Milo faced many challenges. Mouse face: he was too small to reach the counters. Fork and knife with plate: he had no proper cooking tools. Man cook, and worst of all, everyone doubted him. A mouse as a chef? Ridiculous. The older mice scoffed. Humans will never accept a mouse in the kitchen, the others warned. But no matter what they said, Milo never stopped dreaming. Bread: the dream takes shape. Despite the challenges, Milo was determined to prove everyone wrong. He used tiny spoons and bottle caps as pots and pans. Cheese wedge: he learned how to mix flavors by tasting the scraps left behind by chefs. Fire: he practiced stirring soups using a toothpick as a spoon. His first attempts at cooking didn't always go well. His cheese soufflé collapsed, his strawberry tart burned, and his pasta sauce was too salty. The other mice laughed at his failures. "Why don't you just stick to eating crumbs like the rest of us?" they teased. But Milo never gave up. He worked day and night, testing new recipes, adjusting flavors, and practicing his knife skills with tiny bits of vegetables. One day, a kind-hearted human chef, Chef Lorenzo, spotted Milo peeking into the kitchen. Instead of shooing him away, the chef watched in amazement as Milo carefully studied his techniques. "You've got talent, little one," Chef Lorenzo whispered, placing a small piece of cheese near Milo's hiding spot. Encouraged by the unexpected kindness, Milo felt more determined than ever. Cheese wedge: overcoming obstacles. Milo continued to practice, but he knew he needed help. He found unexpected allies in the most unlikely places. Woman cook: Chef Lorenzo, who admired Milo's passion, began leaving small ingredients near his hiding spot so he could experiment. Mouse face: a group of mice from the bakery, inspired by Milo's dedication, helped him gather ingredients from the pantry. Books: an old mouse named Bruno, who had once lived in a famous restaurant, shared secrets of fine dining and flavors. With the support of his new friends, Milo's cooking improved rapidly. His sauces became rich and flavorful, his pastries light and airy, and his tiny meals burst with taste. Then came his biggest challenge yet: cooking a dish for humans. Stew: the big break. One evening, as Milo practiced in his tiny kitchen, he overheard exciting news. A famous food critic was coming to review Chef Lorenzo's restaurant. Milo knew this was his chance. As the restaurant buzzed with excitement, Milo sneaked into the kitchen, carefully watching Chef Lorenzo prepare the dishes. When the critic arrived, Milo noticed something. The sauce for the main dish was too bland. Without thinking, Milo leapt into action. He scurried onto the counter, grabbed a tiny pinch of seasoning, and sprinkled it into the pot just before the dish was served. The critic took a bite. He paused, his eyes lighting up. "Exquisite. The flavors are perfectly balanced," he declared. Chef Lorenzo, knowing what had happened, smiled secretly at Milo. Milo had done it. He had helped cook for a human, and they loved it. Fork and knife with plate: the legacy of Little Chef. Word about the tiny chef spread through the restaurant. At first, people were skeptical. A mouse in the kitchen? Quote, but when they saw Milo's passion and talent, their doubts turned into admiration. The other mice who had laughed at him now looked at him with awe. Chef Lorenzo, proud of his tiny friend, gave Milo his own tiny chef's hat and welcomed him as a secret member of the kitchen. With time, Milo's story inspired mice and humans alike. He proved that dreams have no size limit, that hard work, determination, and courage can make anything possible, and that even the tiniest chef can make the biggest impact. Love our stories? Make sure to subscribe to Kids Story Express for more fun and exciting tales. New stories every week, perfect for bedtime, learning, and fun.